their malified intention is very clear, because if they remove the Muslim community, they think the entire Hindu community will consolidate. And one more thing, what they were saying is, we are removing Muslim 4% reservation from the Muslim community, and we are sharing them to the Lingaites and Vokalikas. It can't be possible. Legally also it can't be possible, because there is no classification only for Lingaites and Vokalikas. Along with the Lingaites, there are some communities. Along with the Vokalikas, there are some communities. How can they bifurcate them from that group to the only Lingaites and Vokalikas? That is impracticable. It's not possible. At that time, they were cheating the Vokalika and Lingaita communities also. They were cheating, and also they were showing their venom against the Muslim community.